Hello, good afternoon. It's 12:09. So, I'm just charging and then pupunta ako sa maglalakad lang ako dyan. Maghahanap ako ng kakainan ko. I'm gonna go to the Museum of Ethnology. So, doon na may kita yung 52 ethnic groups of Vietnam. So, I'm gonna go there and then I might stop at a cafe. Tapos mag-paint na nga ako kasi ang dami kong time until dinner before I meet Gab. So, yeah. So, this is the outfit. My mango dress and yung Pilipinas scarf by Gawandiwa. Okay, this is the outfit. Kumakain ako ng Tums kasi ina-acid lang ako sa puto. Ang unreal talaga ng flower game nila dito. Grabe, guys. So pretty. Anyway, we're walking. Hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta, pero maghahanap lang ako ng kakainan. I absolutely don't know kung saan ako pupunta. But, dito kami kumain gabi. Hindi ko alam sino kakain. I actually want a cafe. Pero kasi yung mga cafe dito, wala silang food. It's just pastries. So, I have to look for a restaurant. I'm gonna try this Cafe. Yung, nandun. Kasi pinag-usapan na din namin ni Gabi na mukhang nice. Sana may pagkain sila doon, kahit pasta. But I wanna try this. The thing I noticed about crossing the streets here, lalo na if may stop sign, is hintayin mo na mag-orange. Kasi mag-orange sila kahit malayo pa silang ganyan. Magsa-start na silang mag-binor or like mag-stop. Ang daming working dito. This is my order. This is star fruit, oolong, and palm seeds. And then this is my coconut cake something. Okay, we're gonna go back to the hotel, which is just around this corner. Liliko ka lang dyan sa kanto. So, ito yung kinainan namin kagabi. Kasi, di ko maubos tong cake. So, sabi ko kay God na titiran ko siya. So, lalagay ko na lang ito sa ref. Then, I'll go again. So, for what I had sa Ann Cafe, I only spent 104k BNB. So that's 240 pesos. Okay, my grab's here. Xinjiang. So I'm here. It took me like 5 minutes. So nasa 80 pesos. For the Grab. Not bad kasi sobrang init. Got the ticket. I paid 40k BNB, which is around 90 pesos. So, ito siya. This is the place. This is their ritual bowl. So, apparently, tinatali mo yung buffalo dito. Ayan. And, tinatali siya sa universal tree. Ito yung tawag nila. So, yun yung nagko-connect sa spirit world with the human beings. So, super taas niya. And, a-adjust daw yung top part and bottom part. Here are some research materials. So, around 1997, yung mga babae, sila yung nagpa-plant ng cotton, nag-harvest, nagpapalaki ng silkworms, and then they use this pedal system para gumawa ng mga weaved products like this. So, ito yung mechanism nila. Also, these ones. Yan. Ito yung gamit nila sa mga hearth nila. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Pero, parang yun yung sinaunang kitchen nila. So, yun daw yung center ng women's activities. Ayan. So, dito may sample sila. Ganyan sila magluto during that time. Nakaupo sila. Ito yung dove traps nila noon. Meron siyang kung lalagyanan nyo ng pagkain. Pero, ayan. These are their amulets. Ito yung crown nila before. So, it's made up of twigs and leaves. This is their sickle. I think gawa siya sa bamboo and a blade. This is their lunar calendar. This is a knife. So, ito yung casing niya. And then, yung hawakan, I think it's a duck. Or, wait. Ay, hindi. Ano ba to? Parang paapala siya ng something. Hindi ko sure kung ano na nakalagay dito. I'm not sure what it is. Pero mukha siyang paa. Ito yung mga sikat na ito yung traditional na way of selling nila. Ito. Bicycle carrying fish traps. So, nagbebenta yung rider ng mga fish traps. So, iba-iba siya. Meron siya maliit, malaki, pahaba siya. Mukha siyang bigas. Tapos, meron siya nito mga ganyan. Then, may pahaba din. This is a photo in 1997. Insane control. I don't know how to do it. Pero super laki niya. Lalo na in person. Grabe. This is their woodblock method in 1996 to 1997. I mean yung photos. Pero ito yung way nila kung paano gumawa ng mga stamp before. Hindi siya rubber. So, it's carved out of wood. So, ito yung steps niya. And then, this is the final product. I think they use each of these para sa iba't ibang kulay. At ayun yung compress. Compress nila ng wood or ng paper to each other. This is wood carving naman. Grabe yung details. It's not that big. Para siyang 2 to 3 tangkal. And these are their tools. Look at the details. Ang ganda. And ano siya para siyang upo shape. So, meron pa siyang carvings sa likod nitong harap na nakikita natin. Water puppets. Ito yung nakita namin nung nakaraan sa Linbin. So, that's how they perform. Gamit-gamit nila itong mga to. Ayan. Ganito siya. Ganito din yun sa may Linbin. And they're made out of wood. So, carved sila. This is a royal decree from King Haydn in 1924. It's 102 years old. That's cool. This is their money counter. And these are the rulers they use. Apparently to measure their picks. Ang ganda oh. They have this bezel knot box which is decorated with shell inlaid. And then ito ding oboe nila. So ginagamit nila to for their rituals. Ito yung shape ng Vietnam. Pahaba siya sa gilid ng Laos, Thailand, and Cambodia. Very cool yung plan ng museum nila. Dito na tayo sa entrance ulit. Oh, we're gonna go outside. So, I did go upstairs. Ganda oh. May medyo spiral staircase sila. Okay. The guard was talking to me twice na today. Google Translate is your best friend. Then he was asking me if I was alone. He seems nice, pero I don't like when you always say you're with someone, especially if you're a girl. This is a 1990 photo. And then ito yung bridal outfit nila. Flutes and box. Ang laki oh. This is their buffalo cart. Ang laki ng gulong, grabe. It's taller than me. It's made out of wood. So lahat to kahoy and then ropes. Ito mga carved out of wood. Tingnan nyo. Dried kalabasa siya. They call it calabash. Pero ginagawa nilang containers ng tubig, alcohol, tobacco, soup. Ang galing. Pwede pala yun. These are fabrics or cloth na gawa sa tree barks. So, ito, vest siya. Pero, makikita mo yung details ng tree. It's so cool. This is how they do it all. Photos from 1996. Tingnan mo, may scarecrow sila. Na mukhang monkey. So, these are scale models of their houses. Cute, oh. It's very well made din. This is a model ng communal house nila. Taas ng roof. This is also a communal house. Wow. Do you think maybe it's a ritual tree ulit? Ayun, ganun siya. Tinatali yung buffalo. It's a buffalo sacrifice. This is a hunter's animal fur bag. Hindi ko alam kung ano animal siya. Baka weasel or something. And then ito, maliit siyang kalabasa bag for their gunpowder. Look at these. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous skirts sila. And silang plain looking ones. And then, meron na itong mga may quilt. Then, may cross stitch. This one din. They're so nice. Very intricate. Meron silang ganito, initiation ng mga lalaking nagka-come of age. So, ito daw yung ritual nila na magsaserve na parang passport ng mga kaluluwa to the parang back to the ancestral land daw. Ito din ginagawa pag yung person magiging parang master ng ritual. So, it's a pretty big deal sa kanila and most respected career daw ng panahon na yun. This is a pictograph script. You can see details na. And yung fibers ng paper. Number 2 is yung supplications nila for good fortune. And then ito yung ritual specialist seal. These are gorgeous. May earrings, hair comb, ornamental hair comb, then aluminum necklace, and bracelets. This is a mask for shaman's initiation ritual. This is a ritual tree of the thigh. Ayan. Okay, ito yung isa sa houses that you can walk through. So, naka-display silang mga ganito. Mga traditional na gamit nila sa bahay. And then, clothing. Super ganda nito. This is number 6. Woman's hat siya. Ganda. Wow. This is a palm leaf carrier. And then these ones are pillows. So, gawa siya sa kahoy. This is a model ng Thai house nila. This one is a day house. Ang galing talaga nito. This is a tomb statue. Gawa siya sa wood. Ito yung mga ginagamit nilang devices or materials when dealing with elephants. So ito, ginagamit nila for newly caught na wild elephants. These ones are to protect the riders from falling. Parang support. So elephants play a big role sa buhay ng Vietnamese. And then ngayon meron parang conservatory to protect and make sure na hindi extinct ang mga animals. So, ayan, may mga wild elephants dito sa Don Bon. And then, puro domesticated elephants. But this one is wild too. Here. Finding a way to go to the back part of the building. Andun yung architecture garden nila. Hindi ko alam na pumunta doon. This is the front. Hindi ko walang exit sa likod. Pero may pathway dito sa gilid. I'll just go there. I decided to go outside. At I'll try to look for the way papunta sa likod. Dito kasi alam ko. Wala tayong access from the inside. So, it's the exit na. They have gerbera, so cute. That one's very nice. This one then, they have green. And this fuchsia. I found the houses. This is a stilt house. That's I don't know if you can go inside. This is what is this? Pwede ka dito o yung ano? Yung mga puppet show, water puppets. Wow, look at this. Sobrang haba niya. Ano to? It's so big. This is a khmer junk. It's 25.6 meters long. Race siya. So, pang race siya. So, para siyang dragon boat. You can go inside, pero walang shoes. Okay. Ito yung parang kitchen nila. So yung parang kisame nila is far from the roof. Tapos gawa siya sa wood and I don't know what they used before, pero siguro clay. Pero ayun, yung space doon, walang laman doon. It's just parang air between the ceiling and the roof. So siguro malamig dyan. This is ko alam kung anong space. I think. Sorry.
Từ lớp đi đâm đông này.
Sobrang presko ng mga house nila. Okay, it started raining. So, dito tayo. Tambay tuloy tayo dito. They're so small. This is their bedroom. And that's the bed and few jars. So, pag may may-ari siya ng isang malaking pamilya noong 1920s, early 20th century. So, meron siyang extensions kasi teacher ata yung missus na may-ari. So, this is a classroom. Then, may mga bedrooms saan. So, may isang buong section sila for the altar. And then, this is another bedroom. I think crib. Ay, di ko alam kung ano yun. And then, may access sila dito sa kitchen. It's very big. This one's absolutely huge. Ito ata yung nakita kong scale kanina. It's a communal house. Grabe ang tangkad. Ito yung hagdan nila. We're gonna use this one. I don't know what it is. Help me. Honestly, I would live here. Ang lamig. Ang comfy. Kasi yung bamboos, they're kind of flexible. Because they made it pretty thin. Ang lamig. Nabutan na ako ng ulan dito sa isang house. Okay. So this is the inside ng super tall na roof na house. Ano daw? Ang dami na. Like, it's very chill here. Ayan. Taas.
They don't speak, they don't know English. So
Yeah. This house was built in 23 days. This is from the Philippines. Philippines. This is from Lanao del Sur, Mindanao. Ang laki niya. We're in a cat cafe. This baby looks like Sun Sun and Popo. He's so cute. She liked you, does she?
She just wanted to
She wanted to drink.
It's not for you. It's not your drink.
Oh, it's today's friend. Bye-bye. I'm so happy to meet you.
That is also for work, not for vacation.
You already love the Philippines? We had dinner with Gab's workmates sa old quarters. And now we're walking kasi naghanap kami ng night markets to buy some stuff. Ano ba tong damage na to? Ay, wala pala ito. Sa akin pala. Gab's gonna have beer kasi pagod na siya for today. I'm walking alone. Iwan ko si Dutton para makapag-beer. I'm just gonna check places out. Old Quarter Shopping Hall. Pakita ko yung sa'yo first. Ay, nag-ano pa siya. Look! I got hiking jackets. This is 500k. This is his bag. May hiking bag na siya na may support. Pakita mo yung harap. Ay, how much? 500? 500 din? Nasa 1, 2.
Mahal.
Hindi kaya siya mahal para na ganyang bag.
Kuripot ako.
Oo, totoo. Medyo, depende. Minsan hindi. Minsan super splurge naman siya. It looks really good. Pero makuha, you can borrow my jackets too. I have a white one.
Hindi mo yung jacket mo sa CR. Tapos mag-shower.
I have a... Mamaya, pag maliligo na ako. I have a white one. Nakita ko sa TikTok yun, may gumawa nun eh. This is... Pero I actually like this color bigla. This is 550. Mas maganda to kaysa dun sa white. Mas pang lamig to. Woo! And then, adjustable siya dito. Adjustable siya dito. Adjustable siya dito. Wow! Basang-basa na yung... Ah! Oh, punasan mo dyan nang hindi tumulo dito sa ano. Wow. Gusto ko. Tinas niya nga. Tinas niya. You wanna test my jacket? Huh? Do I really have to stand in the shower? And then, I have pajama sets for 120k. Nasa 250. 250 to 60. I have 4. Let's see. Ta-da! It has shorts then. And then I have 2 can bags. Because I was...
Siguro narinig ng video.
Naririnig ako niyan. Have 2 can bags. I originally wanted this one. Pero una namin nakita to. Tapos sabi ng asawa ko, kunin ko yung isa. So now, I have 2 bags. This is 500... Ay! How much was it? 200k? 220k.
Ano tanong ko sa'yo paggabi?
Ano? Binuli niya ako. Kaya sabi ko, gusto ko bumili ng can na bag. Tapos sabi niya, kailan ka pa nagbabackpack? Well, nagbabackpack ako. Wala lang akong backpack. Meron akong iisang backpack. Yung travel backpack ko na color black.
Magbibilang kami.
Paano mo bibilangin to? As one yung bilang na to kasi medyo dalawa yung ano ko eh. Diba? Tinatawanan niya pa ako kagabi bago siya matulog talaga. Tawang-tawa talaga siya.
Tambo lang to eh.
Pakita mo nga yung kinakain mo. Sabihin niyo nga sa akin kung dapat isang upuan kinakain to.
Nakalagay 1 serving.
Saan? Saan? Saan?
Yun na 1 serving.
Ano? 1 serving contains 36 grams. Be, 1 serving is about 8 pieces. Nakailang ka lang?
Wala pang 8.
8 na. Hoy, ano wala pang 8? Ang dami. Ayun lang. Good night.
1 serving kahapon.
Ah,
Balin.
kumain ka na ba kahapon?
Hindi pa, mabubukas mo nga lang.
Actually looks like the real thing.
Yung mga nakain serving
It
kahapon.
probably is. Gabong mundo. Guys, gagamitin ko na to. Gagamitin ko na to bukas. Kaya meron na isa. 1 count.
Hindi marunong mag-Tagalog.
Gagamitin. Gagamitin ko na to bukas. Alam mo, habi niya ka mo yun. Ibuli ka mo ako na parang hindi siya asawa. Love language mo ba yun? Ha? Ano ba to? Tara! Uy, kunin mo yung iPad ko. Kunin mo yung iPad ko, kinakabahan ako sa kanya. Ang cute!
Nasa patagil.
Gosh. Kasha. Perfect! 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 Kasha yung iPad ko! At si Popo! Huwag mo na akong bulihin, please.
Hindi ka ito si Bobo dyan.
Gusto ko pa nung ganun. Gusto ko yung bag niya. Hindi waterproof yung akin eh. Kaso wala atang lusutan ng bladder yung sa'yo. Tinatamad ako umalis ng hotel bukas. Pero alis ako kasi sayang naman yung pinunta ko dito. Punta-punta ka pa. Paano to? Anyway, good night! Hey! It's so cool! Hey! Okay na, tama na.